If you have a child that's been charged with a DUI and is under the age of 21, I understand that. I understand the stress level. I understand the worry that a mother or father could have for their child and how that could impact their future as well as their immediate present, their driver's license, their record. How is all of this going to impact their future? At the Wagner Law Firm, we have about a quarter century of defending children that are under the age of 21 that get charged with a DUI. There are certain avenues that the case can proceed under that an experienced DUI attorney will know that can help keep that off their record and can keep them without having a conviction for DUI. But it is a special area of DUI, and Wagner Law Firm has experience in cases where children under the age of 21 have been charged with a DUI. Probably the biggest mistake I see with parents that have a child that's charged with a DUI under 21, they'll delay in hiring their attorney where there's valuable timelines that can pass that need to be filed timely to protect their son or daughter's interests. But probably the biggest mistake I see is that they'll hire the wrong attorney. They won't hire someone that focuses exclusively on driving under the influence cases, that has the training and experience to care for their child and know what they're doing and how to navigate a case through the court system, what to look for, how to attack the case, how to defend the case. They'll hire a family attorney. They'll hire a friend of the family, a will, a divorce attorney. There's a saying that you don't go to a foot doctor to have your wife's baby delivered. It's the same type of thing in law. You have a need for a DUI attorney. You want a DUI attorney with training, experience to take care of your son or daughter.
What I liked about Harley the most is he never made assumptions about who he may have thought I was. He understood that I was a professional first, and he wanted to make sure that how I was viewed by other people would be positive. So every interaction with him was very personable, very professional. He was a no-nonsense type lawyer. We don't need to go in and with the extraneous information, what are the facts? So I really like that about him because sometimes I get lost in my own words.
If you've been charged with a DUI in West Virginia and you're wondering what I should be looking for in a potential DUI attorney, you want to look to their training, you want to look to their experience, you want to look at their success, you want to understand field sobriety test training, instructor training, breath test training, DRE, drug recognition evaluation training, 𝐸RAD training. You want to look at the qualifications of the person that's going to be caring for you. And you want to look to see their years of experience, how much they focus their practice on your need. And I always say, you don't go to a foot doctor to have your wife's baby delivered. So you want to go and you want to look for somebody that focuses on the need that you have, in this case, someone that focuses on DUI defense and has a training and has the years and the experience to benefit you.
The day we found out that my case was going to be dismissed, Harvey worked really hard because I literally was in court only about 15 minutes. And hearing that news just made me feel so much better. So Harley's work definitely changed everything in my standing in this community. Seek out Harvey, absolutely. That's my guy. He did me right. I 100% would recommend him.
If you're on the fence whether or not to hire a DUI attorney or whether or not you can afford a DUI attorney, I understand that. But a lot of times you cannot afford to hire a DUI attorney that's well-trained, that knows how to look and defend a DUI case, that knows what to look for in deficiencies in a case, the testing, roadside investigations, field sobriety testing, breath testing, things of that nature that can really help defend you in your case. Because if not properly handled, a conviction can have far-reaching ramifications on somebody's future. We offer a structured payment plan to ease that with our clients. We also accept major credit card in addition to cash and check and other forms of typical currency. So we try to work with our clients and understand that they have families that they provide for, bills and things of that nature. When you're on the fence whether to hire a DUI attorney, I always say that you really cannot afford not to.